Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Fidelity 403B plan. Alright, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity 403B plan, then this video is going to help you out. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. We're not going to waste any time at all, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do, the first step, is to log into your Fidelity accounts. Now you can choose to log in on the online website, or you could choose to log in on the mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you log in to your Fidelity account, you just want to click on retirement, and then you're going to select 403B plans. And now you're going to initiate the 403B plan setup process, where you're going to need to provide the required information. Of course, that's going to include your employer details. Now once that's done, just choose the 403B plan option and then confirm the details on the plan. You want to make sure that the details are correct, that the information are all accurate. Once that's done, you can go ahead and set up the plan, and you can also monitor the 403B plan activities right here on Fidelity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity 403B plan. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the